Reports are in of a local gym with a man who has been repeatedly making strange noises whilst exercising. Members of the public have been expressing deep concern for their safety and if it's even possible for them to return to lifting light weights again. We join Brett now, who has managed to convince the alleged man into an interview. Viewer discretion is advised. Okay, we're here with Adam. Adam, why is it you make these noises? Why is it you do these things to yourself?
What noises?
And there we have it from the source itself. Back to the studio. Thank you, Brett. And that's all we have time for today. Join us again on BFIT News. Thank you and good night.